This is a trial with raw eggs in two different acids, hydrochloric acid and the plant health cure Agro Acid. Eggs are put in the liquid and you can see the Agro Acid starts dissolving the calcium from the eggshell immediately, whereas hydrochloric acid still has to work on the whole egg. After a while, you can see the calcium being dissolved very slowly but complete, whereas the hydrochloric acid is basically consuming the whole egg, including the calcium. Slowly but surely the calcium is dissolved, and at the end, after 1 hour, you can see the calcium is completely dissolved from the raw egg. You can see the air chamber in the egg, whereas the hydrochloric acid dissolves the whole egg. With bare hands, the egg is removed from a pH product of 0 without damage, and also the egg is undamaged. Only the calcium is dissolved, whereas in the hydrochloric acid the whole egg is being dissolved. Agro Acid is safe and dissolves calcium totally. Agro Acid is safe for man, animal and plant.